G'day guys, it's Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Hyundai I30 stock reference number 5898. This shape ran from the 9th of 2007 to the 4th of 2012. It has a D4 FB 4-cylinder 1.6 litre turbo petrol engine backed by an auto front wheel drive transmission. Here we have our D4 FB 4-cylinder 1.6 litre turbo petrol engine. Left hand headlight. Left front wheel, steel, 15-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand mirror. Left rear door, 3 dents, good private. Left rear wheel, steel, 15-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, steel, 15-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front wheel, steel, 15-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console. Gear stick, heat AC controls, touch stereo head unit, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, tidy vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel,